There's one thing that confuses a lot of people when it comes to attraction: masculine and feminine energy. What are they really? How do they interact? And why do they create such a powerful pull in relationships? Well, today we're breaking it all down, and by the end of this, you'll know 3 deeply attractive feminine habits that naturally draw in a masculine man without playing games, forcing anything, or changing who you are. But first, let's get real. The secret Grandma knew all along. My grandma used to say, "The secret to a great relationship isn't about finding the perfect person, it's about understanding the dance between 2 people." At the time, I didn't fully get what she meant, but over the years, it hit me hard. Because attraction isn't random, chemistry isn't just luck. There's a natural rhythm in relationships, a push and pull, a balance of energies. And when you understand that dance, everything changes. The right man leans in, love flows more effortlessly, and you stop wasting time on the wrong connections. So if you're a woman who wants to attract a strong masculine man, one who steps up, plans, leads, and makes you feel cherished, then keep watching. Because I'm about to share how you can naturally amplify your feminine energy in a way that makes you magnetic to the right man. And no, this isn't about playing small or pretending to be someone you're not. This is about unlocking your natural power. First, let's talk about seduction. It's not what you think. Before we dive into the 3 feminine habits, we need to clear up a huge misconception. When people hear the word seductive, they immediately think of being sexy, wearing a tight dress, or acting flirty. But true seduction, it's so much deeper. Seduction is simply the art of drawing something in, making it crave you, making it want more. Think about it. Ever walked into an Olive Garden and seen those warm, golden, buttery breadsticks? They're just sitting there, waiting for you, filling the air with their delicious scent. Are they sexual? But are they seductive? Absolutely. Or what about a Netflix series? You tell yourself just 1 episode, but suddenly you're 10 episodes deep, completely hooked. Netflix doesn't chase you. Netflix doesn't force you. It simply pulls you in. That's exactly how feminine energy works. It's not about chasing a man or proving your worth. It's about being so effortlessly captivating that he can't help but be drawn toward you. And the best part? You don't have to force, fake, or chase anything. So let's get into it. The 3 feminine habits that pull a man into his masculine energy. 1. Stand your feminine ground and watch him step up. Here's the truth about masculine men. They don't want to compete with you for the role of leader in the relationship. They love a strong woman, but they also crave the polarity that lets them be in their masculine. So, what does this mean for you? It means that if he's hesitating or unsure, instead of stepping into the masculine energy for him, hold your feminine ground. Let me give you an example. Imagine you're on a date and the guy asks, "So, where do you want to eat?" A lot of women, especially if they're used to being in charge, will quickly jump in and say, "Oh, let's go here." But instead, try this. Lean back, smile, and say, "You asked me on the date. I'd love for you to choose." This does 2 things. 1. It invites him into his masculine energy. Now he has to step up and lead. 2. It creates a moment of natural attraction. Masculine men love the feeling of taking initiative. It triggers their instinct to provide, protect, and lead. And the best part, it makes you feel more relaxed and feminine. Feminine energy doesn't force, it allows. 2. Create through invitations, not commands. A lot of women unknowingly take on masculine energy in relationships by always directing, leading, and making plans. "Let's go out this weekend. We should go try that new Italian place. You need to take me on a date soon." While there's nothing wrong with expressing what you want, there's a far more attractive way to do it, through invitations. Instead of saying, "Let's go out this weekend," try, "I'd love to go on a romantic date this weekend. Would you be open to planning something for us?" Instead of, "Take me to that new Italian restaurant," try, "I've been craving Italian lately. Would you take me?" See the difference? One directs him, the other invites him. Masculine energy thrives on missions, goals, and achieving things for the woman he cares about. Give him the opportunity to rise to the occasion. Third, hero size. Him instead of criticizing him. Men are wired to want to feel like they're winning with you. The fastest way to shut down his masculine energy? Criticizing him when he tries. For example, why didn't you plan ahead? Ugh, you always forget the little things. You could have done better. Even if he tries, and it's not perfect, shift the focus to what he did do right. I love that you put effort into planning this. Thank you. I had such a great time with you tonight. You always know how to make me smile. This doesn't mean you never bring up issues, but choose when and how. Men expand in the presence of appreciation. They shrink under criticism. When you make him feel capable, strong, and like a hero in your life, he will move mountains for you. Final thoughts. If you want to amplify your feminine energy and attract a strong masculine man, stand your feminine ground. Create through invitations, not commands. Hero size instead of criticize. This isn't about changing who you are, it's about embracing your natural magnetism. So let me ask you, what's something you do that helps you stay in your feminine energy? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear. And remember, the right man won't need to be convinced. He'll just know.